Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. What's up? Now again in this video I'm talking about Cardano price update, and as I predicated in my previous videos guys that Cardano price will pump in October guys. So you can see here guys, today is the 2nd of October, and now you can see your last one day update. The 1st October price changes is going positive. So first of all, my prediction going positive, so that's why I'm telling you to please subscribe now our channel for more update in accurate price prediction guys. Thanks for subscribing our channel. Now guys, furthermore, if we talk about the Cardano price update, so now the right now price of Cardano is about 2.2926 USD dollar. That is right now price, and possibilities guys that now again they're going to hit a 3 to 4 USD dollar. That will be the price of Cardano in the last of October guys. We can't say about the future, but that's my only prediction about Cardano. Furthermore, let me show you the price chart. You can see here guys, that is last 3 days price chart, and you can see here from 1st October as I predicated from 1st October, and if we look the latest situation, so now here they start pumping guys, and in the right now situation they are also in the pumping mode guys. So my prediction going 100% going positive about Cardano. Positive 6.6% changes occur in the Cardano attack guys. Cardano is a good investment. I recommend for all to invest in a Cardano, and if you are a holder, so please hold for a long time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.